Hello, everybody. I'm at Walgreens. I don't have a long. I just want to give a very, very, very special thank you to Short Mama. If you do not know, I am a member of her Team Shorties. Well, I've signed up for her membership program, and one of the features of being a member is that you can text her on this number that she's given out. If you have any questions, and I've really been struggling with Walgreens. There are a lot of things that I need to learn. If you haven't seen any of my Walgreens videos, honey, you know it gets really bad. So she really did, y'all. She helped me with this deal because I was just like, I'm just not gonna go in here and spend $20. Like, I can't do it this week. I can't spend $20, but I still want a coupon. So if you are like me and you're just like, I don't have $70,000 in Walgreens cash, and I just want a coupon there. So follow along on this journey. Thank you again to Short Mama for helping me, answering all my questions. I just got a really weird text, but thank you for helping me. We're gonna go on Walgreens. I have very limited amount of time. I'm gonna see how much I could get, and also not spend $11 trillion out of my own pocket. So let's get started. Okay, so to get points back, the first deal we're going to be doing is on the Skintimate razors. They are spend 20, get a $5 cash reward, but they are not buy one, get one 50% off this week. You are paying full price for them, all right? We have a $4 digital coupon, which is going to bring it down to $4, okay? So up next, we're going to pick up another Skintimate razors. We have the Hydro Silk razors. There is a $4 digital on the Walgreens app for $4 off of that. So that doesn't bring my total to $20 though, but I end up picking up something else. All right, next we're going to go to the soft soap. My store isn't tagged, y'all. Soft soap this week are soft soap and Irish Spring, are 3 for $10, buy 3, get $5 register reward, okay? So everyone is going to be getting, well, I don't know if everyone got it, but I believe everyone will have a $2 off of any one Irish Spring or soft soap body wash, okay? So I'm going to add that to my transaction. Minus the $2 I pay, $8 out of pocket, but get the $5 register reward, making the soft soap and the Irish Spring $1 a piece. I think that's a good deal. So as you can see, both of the raises that I have equal up to about $18. So I'm short, and I don't know anything about 98% rule with Walgreens. So I went and added the Skintimate shaving gel, which is priced at $3.97. We have a $1 digital to make sure that I get the $5 Walgreens cash reward back. So on the next transaction, guys, I got this bonus offer on Ibotta. And I really like Poise. So if you buy any one Poise product, you're going to get $5. Now, I know this is not the cheapest to just pick up for a bonus, but I really like that, and I like to try new things. So I picked one up at $7.79. There isn't any manufacturer coupons, but I will be getting the 5,000 points back on Fetch. All right, so another thing I'm going to be picking up in transaction number 2 is the all this week. They are $2.99. We have a $1 digital, making it $1.99. All right, so the next thing that we're going to be picking up in this transaction is going to be on the Suavitel, Fabuloso, and Palmolive. If you buy 2, you get $2 Walgreens cash. These are items that I really like, and I don't have enough dishwashing liquid in my stockpile, and I definitely don't have enough Suavitel. Suavitel is really nice, so I'm going to add those 2 to my cart. And last but not least, a lot of the random items that you get called and asked to bring when you're on the store, I'm going to be picking up one of these cotton wipes. So I have a 20% off a $10 or more purchase. So if you watch my CVS video, I will link it in the description box below. I used $35 to coupon this week from Ibotta. And so technically I came into this transaction on a $14 budget. And I went over by $6. But I got back the $5,000 points on Fetch for the Cottonelle wipes and the poise. So I technically made that right back. All right. So I'm not too bummed out about it. The first transaction, let's take a look at my receipt. I picked up the Soft Soap, the Irish Spring, and the Chic razors. So this is the receipt. The Skintimate razors. So I really didn't need to pick up the razors, but I was confused because when I was scanning the items, they were showing up $779 and $10.29. So I was like, okay, I'm not gonna make the $20 amount for both of the razors. So I picked up the shaving gel, which I probably shouldn't have. I should not have. But the prices were different. Look how they rang up. Like this, the price that is like showing $8.49, $11.29, which is kind of sort of regular price, but I was getting a different price when I scanned the items. So that was my mistake. So I added the shaving gel. So my total came out to be $18.57, $21 plus tax. I used $10 in Walgreens Cash and paid the $11.26. But I got back the earned this visit. I got the $10 back for the Irish Spring and the $10 back for the Chic. So I paid $11 but got back $10. My out of pocket was supposed to be somewhere around $6, making it free. But I would take $1. I'll take $1. But Walgreens, it was y'all fault this time because the numbers wasn't adding up. Okay. All right, so on my second transaction, y'all, they didn't have the Colgate to get the $4 register reward. And I just didn't have enough to do I saw those 25-cent digital coupons for the Charmin and Bounty. And I was just like, no, I already don't have enough points. So I would rather just pick up stuff that I know I'm going to need and use my points to lower my out-of-pocket. So I showed you guys that this is the bonus offer given back on Fetch. If you use Fetch and you want to do this deal, I think it's really great. That was $7.79. After the rebate on Fetch, it cuts it down to $2. I know we can normally get these for free, but I want to build my money on Fetch, and I thought it was a good bonus offer. So if you want to get that, pay $2 for it out of pocket, that's fine. There are no coupons for it. I don't think. There weren't any digitals. So definitely up to you. So while I'm there, of course, I get a call. Hey, can you pick this up for me? And so I have to deviate. So a lot of times the way that I coupon is I'm normally going to get the stuff that I know that I need. Someone calls me and tells me that they need, or I know I use, because I feel like that's the point. That's just the way that I coupon. So, it doesn't always absolutely have to be free for me because I understand that isn't the case. So I'll just put that there. And so this is a look at my receipt, the Palmolive. Now, the Palmolive and the Suavitel are $2.50. There aren't any digitals. When you buy two, you get a $2 extra, not extra, Lord. You get $2 in Walgreens Cash. And I picked up the All There $2.99 this week. There's a $1 digital for that, okay? And so I picked up the Cottonelle wipes, which are giving points back on Fetch, and Band-Aids because my son is apparently hurting himself. So this is a look at my receipt. The Palmolive, $2.50 a piece. The Ultra, I don't know what is this. Oh, that is the All, $2.99. Cottonelle wipes, $4.99. And so I used the 20% off. It didn't take off a whole bunch because that was technically the only thing that wasn't on sale. But at this point, I was just like, anything to lower my out-of-pocket. And what is this? Okay, that is the Poise. So it took $1.50 off the Poise. So I would take that any day. We're actually just looking at this receipt for the first time. So that is the 20% off a $10 purchase, $2.93, and the $1 for the All. Brought my total to $18.62. I rolled $10 in points and paid the $10.19 out of pocket. But I also got the 5. I got 59. I'll how much I got back. I got 59 100 points on Fetch for this. So, okay, so for everything that you see here, my total comes out to be $21.45. After my Walgreens Cash rewards and my Fetch rebates, brings my total down to $3.55 for everything that you see here. I think that's good. I mean, I think that is great considering I came into this transaction with a $4 register reward and $16 in Walgreens Cash. I think I did pretty good. And then I got stuff that I needed, or someone called me and said they needed, so why not? So if this video was helpful to you in any way, make sure you hit the thumbs up. Comment down below. I want to know, guys, how much do you have in Walgreens Cash right now? I'm peeking into your purses. I want to know because I don't have anything and I'm trying to get back. All right, so make sure you give this video a thumbs up if this was helpful to you in any way. Make sure you comment down below how much you got in that Walgreens purse, sis. I need to know. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you've made it to the very end, I love you. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Welcome to the family. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.